What's going on, guys? Welcome back to yet again another JECS video. Today we have a good one. It is of two items. We got the olive box of logo hoodie and the Realtree camo hood beanie here. So we're gonna go ahead and check that out, man. Make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Follow me on all my social platforms. All that's in the link in the description as well. So yeah. But anyways, as you guys can see here, we have our Supreme box logo sticker here, which is awesome. Now, here's the thing about this, all right? So I originally wanted the Realtree camo, hoodie, the box logo. And so sold out, wasn't able to get it. So I went with the olive, okay? And then I was happy with it. And then there's a bunch of restocks throughout the week, that week. And I had the Realtree camo in my cart. But then, of course, it sold out, and I accidentally had the wrong card on Apple Pay. I was like, no, I forgot. I had the wrong card applied, so I wanted to switch cards, and by the time I did that, I was cooked. So, yeah, it looks like we're not going to be having the Realtree camo hoodie, but not trying to be that guy. But honestly, looking at my opinion on things, I always stay consistent with things. I'm honestly glad that I stuck with the olive, though. I'm so glad that I got it because I, in reality, do like the olive more than the Realtree, just because I feel like the Realtree box logo, they should have had it a Realtree look, like the color, or it should have been a brown color, not a red box logo on it. Because I just feel like it just, I don't know, it just seems too much. But anyways, we got the beanie, so we'll show that off first here. Enough talking. As you guys can see here, man, we got it. Well, at least we got the beanie, and I'm super happy about the beanie because it looks really good. And yeah, we can't wait to get into the details with that as well. So let's go ahead and get it going off rip. Let me know in the comment section down below, did you guys go for all the hoodie colorways? I know there's people that collect all of them, or did you guys just go for one? Let me know which one you guys got, or do you guys just plan on getting the olive one and you just wanted to watch your boy JECS kicks? But here we go. Here it is, the Realtree camo beanie. Now it has very thick material. It's kind of heavy. It's heavier than the other beanies. Really cool. I think, now that I think about it, is this my first box logo hoodie? Yeah, I think this is my first like actual box logo Supreme beanie. Now I think about it, because I have the small box logo ones, not the big one. Okay, cool. So overall though, here it is. Got the tags on it. Looks really nice. World famous. So here's a look at the beanie on right now. We'll take off the tags and stuff. Here's a look at the beanie here, which looks really cool. I like it a lot. Definitely stretches out. I might as well put it on like this just so you guys can see. It does stretch out, so if you guys were wondering. Honestly, when I wear it though, if I wear it, I'll probably wear it with the hoodie, and then I'll just keep the world famous on the front, because I'm not really the type to rock like for example, the Supreme box logo here on the beanie, and then wear a Supreme box logo. I don't really like to wear it like that. So if anything, I'll probably wear it like this with the hoodie over, so it'll just show the world famous. And then the box logo can, have its time, The box logo here, extra large. This is my true size here. So, yep. Here is the back as well. And I'm a big fan of this one. I think this is the best colorway in my opinion. I like how it's just a tonal box logo, which is just, the same olive colorway. So really wearable. And we got some more unboxings coming up soon in the next coming week. In a week, give it a week. We got a lot of unboxings still to cover on the channel that you guys don't want to miss out. And yeah, the shoes that I plan on rocking with this are coming up soon, so that's gonna be really exciting to actually do. Looking forward to wearing this with the new shoes that that just dropped. So it's gonna be fun. You'll see the unboxing soon, so stay tuned. But we just took it out the box, and here it is. Here it is. Nice. It's, your typical box logo. There's if you see my other box logo videos, pretty much the same. Nice, like heavyweight feel to it. Nice and I don't want to call it stiff, but the material feels really good, like structured, as you know, with all the box logos. You know, they always feel nice and structured, very durable, which I like about the box logos. And here it is with the olive box logo, which looks amazing. I like the Realtree. I wish I had it, but I do like this one more because, like I said, having that red box logo on the Camo on the Realtree, it looks good, but honestly, I feel like if it was a Realtree on Realtree, that would have looked insane, or a light brown or a dark brown on like some box logo with the Realtree, that would have been crazy. I think that would have gone even crazier. So, but this looks really nice. Do not regret getting this at all. Here's what the inside looks like. The inside is olive as well. Red Supreme on the side, olive Supreme tag there. And on the right sleeve, I believe this is the year right here as well. So that's really nice. And yes, it is embroidered as well. It is embroidered, so that's nice to have. So let's go ahead and check it out on body. All right, guys, here's a look at the hoodie while standing up. Looks really good. I like the way it looks. Feels just like your typical box logo. Very comfortable, and I love it. I love how they feel all the time, all the time. Definitely let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section down below. Great box logo. Obviously, we have the tan box logo, which this reminds me a lot of the tan. It just does. I like it, that tan one a lot. That came out in 2023. That's a really good one. We also got the multicolor one last year, and then this is the next one that we have here, which I'm very happy about. Obviously, there's nothing on the hoodie, so normally it will show the year sometimes. This time it doesn't. That's why we have this right here, which is really cool as well. So really nice piece overall. Definitely let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. What you guys think about this one, and do you guys plan on getting the olive colorway? Let me know. I think that this one's really the cleanest one. I think it just hits perfectly with the box logo, and everything is awesome. Now here it is with the beanie as well. Like I said, I'm not the type to rock the big old box logo while wearing a box logo. So if I were to do it, I'll just showcase, you know, just so you guys can see first. Let me just show off what it looks like. Here it is with the hoodie on as well. Honestly, it's a pretty good combo to have the Realtree with this. I'm not gonna lie. Looks really good. I like the Realtree beanie a lot, but if I were to wear it, I'm flipping it over, having the world famous here instead. I would much rather wear it with the world famous, more low key. Yeah, this is my type of way of wearing it. Definitely want to do it something like this. That way, just the big old Supreme isn't sticking out. Now, if I was wearing like a different hoodie that wasn't a box logo, then I would probably turn it around. But like, I just like this type of vibe. More low key, more simplistic, more clean. So definitely let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. How you guys would be rocking the beanie for yourselves. And overall, very pleased with it. And yeah, love both of the items. And who knows, maybe down the line I'll get the Realtree. Probably not. Honestly, if I didn't get it for retail, I mean, unless it goes under retail, probably don't see myself really getting it, but we'll see what happens. So overall though, really like everything. And this is a clean, I love this. I love this a lot. This is a really clean box logo, man. But yeah, that is it for today's video, guys. Definitely let me know what you guys think about both of the box logo hoodie and the beanie in the comment section down below. Let me know what you guys think about it, man. I think that this thing is fire. I absolutely love it. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section down below. And yeah, did you guys get all the hoodies in the collection, or did you guys just get one, or do you guys plan on getting the olive colorway. Let me know in the comment section down below. Really like this one a lot. I do not regret getting this one at all. At first, like I said, I was bummed that I didn't get the Realtree, but honestly, I knew I was gonna you can always bet on Olive, really. Like, honestly, and when it comes to like a hoodie, shoes, most of the time, if done correctly, you can always bet on the Olive colorway to be really nice. So I think that this is probably one of the top colorways out of the whole collection that I'm sure a lot of you guys like as well. And yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, and definitely stay tuned for more, because there's a lot more videos dropping here on JECS Kicks. Make sure you guys follow my main channel, link in the description down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Sign out. Peace. Great box logo, man. Got more coming soon, so definitely stay tuned. All right.